All right, now we want to move the dot with mouse presses instead of key presses. And to start, we're actually going to go back up here and do it with the key presses. So we'll copy this code that we've already studied, and we'll paste it and run it. And sure enough, left, 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 right, right, right. So this is just the code we wrote just before. And there's our key pressed, okay? But what I want is to respond to a mouse pressed. So here, I will, instead of key pressed, I'll do mouse pressed. It also takes an event, but this event contains other information. In fact, what it contains is event.x and event.y. And watch what happens now. I'm up here, but I'm going to click around and see how it's printing different xy's down here. If I'm near the top left corner, it prints a value near 0, 0. In the bottom right corner, say, it's tough to get exactly there, but around there, it's approaching 400 by 400. So what we see is that mouse pressed takes an event, and the event tells you the location where we press the mouse. So in fact, this turns out to actually be pretty easy. All I want to do is set the center of the circle, which we're storing in CX, the center of the dot, to be the X location, and the Y to be the Y location of the mouse click. That's really it. So if I run this, and I click, it now follows the mouse. Cool, okay. We've actually left the key press handler still there, so that still works actually. And by the way, you can do weird things here, like turn these around. And if I did that, notice it's not going where I'm clicking. It's sort of mirroring it over the diagonal. I mean, it's a terrible idea. This is pointing out that you can do whatever you want here, right? And maybe a better example would be, let's actually not set the Y. Let's only set the X. When we do that, if I click on this horizontal, it looks normal. But if I click off the horizontal, you see it's ignoring my Y. It's only using my X. And you can tell it's happening because, well, we wrote the code. Here it is. And once again, this is doing both and moving it where I click. That's it.